In fact, if you don't sing along on this one, I'm gonna be really disappointed.
Don't disappoint, Skip. Don't do it.
The last one.
I know.
Everybody.
They say we was here. They stone you and they come right back again. They stone you when you're driving in your car. They stone you when you're playing your guitar. Now I would not feel so all alone. Everybody must get stoned. night, folks. We'll see you tomorrow night. Thank you so very much.
Hey guys, stick around. Holly Bowling is going to be coming up here to play for you guys.